Hello and welcome to the Kunar Cooks. Today we are going to make Ragi Malt or finger millet porridge. This recipe comes together with very few ingredients and very little effort. Start with making a slurry of water and ragi flour, also known as nachni ka atta. After that, heat some water in a kadhai or deep bottom pan. Once the water comes to boil, add in the slurry that we made previously. Keep stirring the mixture on a low flame. When the mixture starts to thicken, add in jaggery or any sweetener of your choice. As the mixture thickens, add in some milk and adjust the consistency by stirring it well together. At this point, you can also add some cardamom powder for a nice flavor. Let it simmer for a while. Once done, serve it in a cup or bowl and top it off with your favorite choice of nuts and dry fruits. Do try out this recipe at home and let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this simple yet nutritious recipe. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Kunar Cooks. See you in the next one.